Oh, baby.
Oh! Oh my God! Look at that! Woo! There's two of them, right? No? Is that one?
That's just how big they are.
Yeah, but I thought I saw two flukes.
Oh, you're beautiful. Don't worry about the Come here. Right here.
Yeah, splash the water. Splash, splash, splash.
Did you get a chance? Right there. You see it, honey? Right there.
Yeah, yeah, I see it, I see it. Look at that. Oh.
Come on, Morgan. Oh, you get the fin.
Yeah, it's moving fast. Don't hold on.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, right there, right there.
Hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful. Come on, come back up. Come on. Sorry, Sandy.
Oh my gosh, they are so big. We're gonna balance the boat. I'm gonna stay on this side. Right there, Dan.
Yeah, he's right there.
Dan, there it is.
Yo, we're right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, his nose is right.
His nose is right there at the back of the boat. Right by the motor. Yeah.
Oh, beautiful, Dad. Did you get it? Here, let's get it.
He's right in front.
Yeah, we shared barnacles. It was great.
Wow. Yeah. And there's the flute. There's the flute. Okay, there he's gonna. Looks like he's coming up to the surface. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
He's waving at you. Kathy! Kathy!
He wants to shake she wants to shake hands.
Oh.
That's the fluke. Oh, there she is. April, come over here. April, come over here. April. Oh, look at the size of that.
Did you get to touch?
Hey, come on up, April. April, right there. Oh, there he is, right there.
It's on this side.
Hey, April, come over here. Right here, right here.
Yeah. April, yeah, get out of the way and let April in there.
April, really?
Oh, look at that flute.
Our head's over on your side.
Don't come rushing to this side of the boat.
Directly across the boat underneath.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh, my heavens.
Look at this.
Scratching and
I might need to get some pictures of this.
Okay.
There she goes. Thank you, baby.
There's the fluke print. Okay, did you find your phone?
It's under here. I know it's like right here somewhere.
Woo!
And put this back.
You have never seen that?